Seems that winter has its grasp on our area still for this time of year. You can see our high and low temperatures today are well below the average for this time of year, and you can see in 1997, 18 degrees is what they recorded for this day, November 18th. We might be breaking that record for Tuesday evening. Let's take a look at our weather headlines for today here. We're expecting a chilly week of school right before Thanksgiving break, and with that we're expecting a chance of snow for your Wednesday. But don't fear, we have a weekend warm-up on the way for Saturday and Sunday. More on that in a little bit. Let's take a look here at the RPM forecast model. Westerly winds for Tuesday morning are going to have a lake effect snow set up for southwestern Michigan, and it's going to be westerly winds is going to be the story for most of your Tuesday, but as we move into Wednesday, those southerly winds are going to kick in, warming the temperature slightly, but bringing with them a chance of precipitation for our area in the form of snow. After that, it's going to move on out of the area, leaving generally fair conditions for Thursday and Friday, but chilly nevertheless. Let's take a look at some chilly temperatures here. Tuesday morning as you wake up for class, the teens are what we can expect for Tuesday morning with some even colder wind chills. And it's not going to warm up that much for your Tuesday afternoon, only getting into about the mid-20s for our area. And moving into Wednesday afternoon, a little bit warmer though, maybe breaking freezing for our area. We're going to have to see as we move into Wednesday. Taking a look here again closer, as you wake up, chilly conditions for the area and only getting up to about the 20s for your midday Tuesday. Now let's take a look here though at the winds, because that's what's going to bring the wind chills down for our area. Tuesday morning, winds out of the west at 20 miles an hour are going to make it feel real chilly for your Tuesday morning as you head out to class, so be sure to dress warm and wear some gloves and a hat, because you don't want to be caught outside with sub-zero wind chill temperatures. Let's take a look at those wind chills actually here. Most of the area is going to be below zero here. You can see Valparaiso around -3, a little bit warmer in Chicago, but not by much at -1. As we move into the afternoon, temperatures are going to rise, but not by a little bit. And you can see here Wednesday, a stark contrast in the wind chill temperatures, with Valparaiso sitting at around 23 for their afternoon on Wednesday for wind chills. Bigger picture here, you can see that disturbance moving on off to the east, and it's going to bring that snow for Wednesday morning, but we're expecting it to be moving out of the area by about midday Wednesday and making its way up off onto the east coast for Thursday, leaving us with generally nice conditions, just a little bit chilly nevertheless for this time of year still. So how much snow are we going to get with that disturbance? Well, if we're lucky, we might see an inch for our area, maybe a little bit more for Chicago, but generally it's not going to even rival what the snow they're getting in southwestern Michigan. You can see here Niles at about 5.1 inches come Wednesday afternoon. So for your forecast for today, again, maybe 20 degrees if we're lucky. A chilly morning though as you go to class in the morning for your 8 a.m.s. Wind chills around -5 for us. As you get closer to the lake, around 0 degrees. Winds out of the west at 15 to 20 miles an hour, perhaps with gusts making it up to 30 miles an hour. Taking a look at tonight, cold to start, but then it's going to be warming as we move through the overnight as winds shift to out of the south at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Still, southerly winds will be in place for your Wednesday, bringing temperatures perhaps up to freezing, but with that we're going to have a chance of morning snow too for your Wednesday morning. Taking a look at the big picture here for your 5-day forecast. Again, Wednesday snow, chilly Thursday and Friday with temperatures in the mid to upper teens. And then look at here, as we move into Saturday, we're going to see significantly warmer temperatures, but I say significantly warmer temperatures here loosely because this is where we're about to be sitting. This is what we're supposed to be sitting at for this time of year. You can see 48 perhaps for your high temperature on Sunday. So only a few more days we have to make it through, and then as we move into Thanksgiving break, some warmer temperatures will be ready to greet us. I'm Jesse Treptow, wishing you a great rest of your Tuesday. Take care.